Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're comparing Spotify versus Amazon Music. Both are amazing streaming platform for music and worldwide. So let's start with Spotify. Spotify is the most popular music streaming service worldwide, known for its huge music library, smart recommendation, and strong social features. It has become the go-to platform for discovering and sharing music. It has over 100 million tracks available, free tier with ads plus premium subscription, personalized playlists like Discover Weekly, Release Radar, and daily mixes, podcast integration directly in the app, and cross-platform support on iOS, Android, desktop, smart speakers, and gaming consoles. It has some social features like sharing playlists and see what friends are listening to. Also, there's offline listening for premium users. But the free version has ads and limited skips, lower audio quality compared to some competitors, and no lossless hi-fi option yet, despite being promised, and they have announced that they are going to include it in the premium subscription. And also, family plan can be more expensive compared to Amazon bundles. Now moving on to Amazon Music. Amazon Music is deeply integrated with the Amazon ecosystem, offering great value for Prime members and delivering high-quality audio options including lossless and Ultra HD formats. It has a library of 100 million songs, similar to Spotify. It comes bundled with Amazon Prime with basic version and Amazon Music Unlimited subscription for full access plus hi-fi quality. It has lossless and Ultra HD audio up to 24-bit and 192 kHz, works seamlessly with Alexa and Echo devices, and supports offline listening on mobile devices. Also, it includes podcasts and curated playlists. But the free version is very limited, which has random shuffle only. Recommendation system is weaker than Spotify's, and the interface isn't as intuitive as Spotify's. Also, it works best if you're already in the Amazon ecosystem. So, choose Spotify if you want the best music discovery, playlist, and social sharing features, perfect for people who want to explore new artists. But choose Amazon Music if you care about sound quality or already have Amazon Prime or Echo devices and want a better deal. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.